Understanding virginity and bleeding.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be addressing a very important topic concerning the sexual health and experiences of women. This subject might seem sensitive, but it's crucial for every woman and man to understand. We're going to discuss whether it's normal for a girl to experience bleeding after losing her virginity.
What is losing virginity?
When we talk about losing virginity, we're referring to a person's first time having sexual intercourse. There is a common perception that this event is always linked with bleeding in women. This belief is largely associated with the breaking of the hymen, a thin piece of tissue partially covering the entrance to the vagina. However, it's important to note that the condition and type of the hymen varies greatly among individuals.
Is bleeding normal?
It's not uncommon for a woman to bleed during her first sexual intercourse, but it's not a hard and fast rule either. Some women might experience a small amount of bleeding, while others might not bleed at all. The primary cause of bleeding is often due to the tearing of the hymen. However, a woman's hymen can be stretched or torn due to non-sexual activities as well, like physical sports or the use of tampons. Hence, not all women bleed the first time they have sex. Additionally, if there is excessive pain or heavy bleeding, it might be a sign of an underlying condition like a vaginal infection, or a more serious issue such as vaginismus, a condition where the vaginal muscles tighten up, or dyspareunia, painful intercourse. If such symptoms persist, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional.
Dispelling myths.
Remember that the presence or absence of bleeding is not an indicator of a woman's virginity. It's a misconception that has been perpetuated by societal myths and a lack of understanding about female anatomy. The concept of virginity is a cultural and societal construct, not a physical or medical condition. So, to wrap things up, while it's not unusual for a woman to bleed when she has sex for the first time, it's not a universal experience and shouldn't be taken as a definitive sign of losing virginity. The most important thing is that any sexual experience should be consensual, safe, and comfortable for all parties involved. If you have any concerns about your sexual health, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. We hope this video has been helpful in dispelling some myths and enhancing your understanding of this topic.